Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Suryansh Mishra. Today I'll be talking about e-invoicing. As we all know, government has introduced a new turnover limit for e-invoicing. So any company whose turnover is more than 5 crores will be eligible for e-invoicing from 1st of August 2023. So today I'll be explaining about what is e-invoicing and will give a live demo of how to do e-invoicing using MyBillBook software. E-invoicing is nothing but an electronic form of invoice which is issued by any registered taxpayers for all the B2B transactions. Whenever we generate any tax invoice in any accounting softwares, that data is transferred to the IRP portal, which is Invoice Registration Portal. The government then validates the data present in the invoice and generate a IRN number and a QR code for that particular invoice. Any invoice carrying a QR code or a IRN number will be called as an e-invoice. Let me now guide you through a demo of MyBillBook software on how to generate the e-invoice. So now we have logged into MyBillBook software. So after logging into MyBillBook software, you can go to settings option, click on manage business option. Just enable the e-invoicing for your business from enable e-invoicing option over here. As you can see, I've already enabled it, so I'll just go back to dashboard once again. I'll just click on the sales invoice option over here. I'll be able to see all my sales invoices in this section. So whatever invoice I have created till now, I'll be able to see all those invoices over here. So I can select any of the invoice, I can generate the e-invoice directly in one shot from here itself. So if I want to create the e-invoice for a single invoice, I can just click on the create invoice option, create a new invoice, add a party, add an item over here. So I can just search the item from here at the top. So after adding an item, I'll just click on save option and I'll save this particular invoice. So as you can see, the invoice is created. I get two options over here, generate e-bill and generate e-invoice. So when I click on generate e-invoice option, I'll get two options over here as well, generate only e-invoice and generate e-invoice and e-bill. So I'll click on generate only e-invoice. I'll just select the state for the seller, enter the state code over here, which is 201301. I can see the buyer state as well. I'll just select the pin code for the buyer as well, which is 560068. After selecting both these pin codes, I'll just see the details. So you can see details are automatically filled. I'll just click on generate e-invoice. So as you can see, in 10 to 20 seconds, we have generated an e-invoice using MyBillBook software. You get an acknowledgement number over here. You can download the e-invoice which is given from the government format. So you can open this invoice, you will be able to see a government format over here, where you can see the QR code, the IRN number, acknowledgement date and the remaining details which are required on the e-invoice. We can also print this QR code and the IRN number on our MyBillBook templates. So when I click on this MyBillBook software, I go to this e-invoice section. So I get multiple options over here like failed invoices, generated invoices, yet to be pushed invoices. I'll just click on generated invoices. Click on the first invoice which I have generated. I'll just download the PDF from here. So whenever you want to download the PDF in the MyBillBook format, you can click on this download PDF option. And in this PDF only you will be getting an option for QR code and the IRN number at the bottom. So you can have multiple templates over here. We have some 7-8 formats available in multicolors. So to check those formats, you go to this MyBillBook software once again. Go to settings at the bottom, click on invoice themes option, and you can see there are multiple themes available in this section where you can choose any of the themes in any color and you can select whichever is comfortable as per your business type and you can save it. So once I save these changes, I'll just go back to the invoice, download the receipt once again. So now I'll be able to see the colored print of that e-invoice. You can see the colored print with the QR code and the IRN number. So this is how the e-invoice is to be generated using MyBillBook software.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe our channel to watch more such product videos. Thank you.